Welcome back. Let us learn to lead video series on free open source software prepared by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, kindly join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing worksheet to construct a triangle when three sides are given. We will construct a triangle when all the three sides are given, and after construction we will try to analyze its properties. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. This is the worksheet which we will be preparing. We are going to construct a triangle with AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, and AC is equal to 3 cm. And obviously AB will be the base and we will be constructing the triangle. ABC is the required triangle. Now what is the speciality of this triangle? We will try to explore the angles. When we explore the angle, we come to know that angle C is 90 degrees. Therefore, this is a right angled triangle. Okay, it is a right angle triangle. What are the number 3, 4, 5? These 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. They are having some speciality. Okay, now let us try to find the area of this triangle. It is another very interesting. Half into base into height. We cannot take AB as the base. We can take AC as the base or BC as the base. Now, you ask the children to explore by taking BC as the base, by AC as the base, then how to explore and finding the area of the triangle is 6 cm square. Let us try to construct this dynamic worksheet from scratch. For that, I have taken a Google GeoGebra worksheet. I have taken geometry view, and I have taken the option rounding off to 2 decimal places and labeling of new points only. Now when you start, you can give a text like this also. You can tell that this is a problem construct. Okay, now we can have symbols also. Here the symbol of triangle is in basic triangle ABC with AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, and AC is equal to 3 cm. Okay, now so that the child will be knowing that what actually you are going to do. First we want AB as the base. Therefore I am taking it. The segment with the given length, I am putting it. It will ask the length. I will tell it is 5. For I got AB is equal to 5 cm. Now you can bring this capital A down or this capital B down. Okay, well, I want this AC should be 3 cm and BC should be 4 cm. Normally we used to draw arcs, but here we will take circles. Circle with the center and radius. As AC is equal to 3 cm, I will put it over here. It will ask the radius. I will write 3. Again, I will take the same thing, but it's already selected. BC is 4 cm. I will touch this B. It will ask what you want. You want to draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Both the circle touch at the point now. 2 points it touches actually. Now, let us try to find the points of intersection. For that, intersect from the point, intersect, touch these two circles at any of its circumference. You got it now. But if you want the top one as C, what you can do is you can rename it as C. Automatically the down one will become C1. Now we want a triangle ABC, A, B, C and A. We don't want the remaining things. There are two ways of doing it. You can right click over here and then show the object. Otherwise you can go to this graphing where all these items will be listed over there. This circle equation is here, therefore make it white. This C1 is over here, therefore make it white. It has gone now. Come back to geometry. Now you can tell the children that this triangle ABC is the required one. Therefore, triangle ABC is the required triangle. Okay, the triangle is drawn now. Let us try to explore this triangle now. What are its specialities? Remember, this is a constructed triangle. As you have done in the previous case, you cannot drag it and then change its size. You cannot make it. It is a triangle now with the given parameters. Well, let us try to explore its angles now. Angle. Simply take this angle and click this triangle. Automatically you got all the angles over here. Here I have taken up to 2 decimal places, therefore I am getting 53.13. Suppose in the option if you go for 0 decimal place, then it will be automatically 53, 37 and 90. Therefore this triangle is a right angle triangle. You can tell the children that in the slider you can go to it and then tell them that the angle, one of the angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Now you can go on asking them questions now. Okay, now it is 90 degrees. Therefore, this is a right angled triangle. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. You can start exploring it. You can ask the children to explore. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Now you can ask the question to the children. For the right angle triangle, the sides are 3, 4, 5. What are the 3, 4, 5? What is the speciality? They are called Pythagorean triplets. The children will tell that it is the least Pythagorean triplet. Like that, so many ideas they will be having. Therefore, you can go on, explore some ideas now. Okay. Now, let us try to find the area. For that, you can go for it. This angle, go to this area, simply touch it. Now, you got the area as 6. Okay. Now, I will put this area somewhere over here. Okay, the area over here. Okay, area is equal to 6. Now, how to get the area of into base into height? Now, you ask the children to construct an altitude from a vertex to the base. Now, AB cannot be the base. Everybody knows it. But either AC can be the base or BC can be the base. Suppose, it's highly interesting. Suppose if you tell the children that now, come on, from B you draw a perpendicular. I will take a perpendicular line. For this AB, I want a perpendicular from B. So for B, I am touching this AC. Oh, it goes in one of the sides. Okay, now the altitude, you know that what is the side of it? It is 4. Therefore, the altitude is 4. The base is 3. Therefore, half into base into 8, the answer is 6. Okay, now you can ask another child now. Let us take BC as the base. Let us try to draw one perpendicular from this vertex A to the base. Oh, once again you got 3 as the altitude. Therefore, once again the formula half into 3 into, you know the answer, 3 into 4. Therefore, the answer is 6 centimeter. So, square. Therefore, you can tell the children that this is highly interesting now. Or you can tell the children that therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 6 centimeter. From this symbol you are having a square, therefore you can write the square now. You can ask them to calculate in both the ways by taking one of them as the base. Okay, now as usual you can go for right click, escape, go to the right click. You will have the navigation bar. You know what's the meaning of the navigation bar. You can start step by step. You can ask the children to construct. Then you can talk about the angles. Then you can talk about the area and so on. You know how to save it. Go to this file. Save automatically. This particular worksheet will get saved in your computer. Hope that by constructing this triangle, after the construction, there is a scope for exploring the properties of the particular triangle constructed by you. Let us learn to lead. Thank you.